Hello, welcome to Design Cookie Season 2, Episode 3. First of all, let me thank you for great response which I am getting from my previous episodes. So I have come again, and today I am going to discuss on reception area. So when we talk about reception, the first impression, as I said, when you enter from the main door, you see the nice table in the front. So when we create reception area, certain things we have to keep it in our mind. Mainly, let's create a detailed list of what are the requirements we have in the reception area. When we say reception area, the reception table, chairs, waiting area comes mostly along with it. The untold norm of reception area is that when you have a smaller office, the reception area becomes a smaller. When you have a larger office, proportionately, reception area is also larger in the size. Many times it happens that in the reception area in a larger office, you have waiting as well as discussion cabin also. So visitors are not supposed to enter in the main office and they sit in the discussion area itself. So this is about the reception. So first thing, let's start with the reception table. The table size has to be quite moderate. It has to be comfortable. Whether you want one receptionist to sit or you want two receptionists to sit. Because many of the activity starts from the reception area and it ends from there itself. Especially inward, outward. And in today's time, a lot of courier samples keeps coming, courier parcel keeps coming. So a lot of entry happens within this area itself. So reception table is very important. And on reception table, telephone is one thing, but major information remains in desktop. So this desktop, there has to be sufficient space. It has to be concealed or it has to be on the table. It has to be hidden on the table treatment. So these are very important factors which has to be considered. We talk about reception table. So immediate second thing is important is to have a backdrop. The backdrop is a reflection of the company. So what exactly you want to keep it in the backdrop, that is equally important. Especially we talk about our company name. So anybody who enters in the reception area, first they see backdrop. So this backdrop has to be very grand and it has to be really interesting. Second thing, you need to have softboard paneling kind of thing where you can display your products. It's actually a display gallery. You can display your product, you can display your project images. These kind of things are so important. Again, in the waiting area, there has to be a center table, there has to be sufficient space to keep the magazines, booklets related to your company, booklets related to some information related to your factory or whatever setup you have. The corner table should have enough space for water to keep tea when they serve. Many times it happens that serving of the tea happens only in the reception area. So this kind of arrangement is very much needed in the reception waiting corner. In today's time, again, very important thing is office has to be very hygienic. Post pandemic, now people have realized that sanitization is so important. So hand sanitizer instrument has to be kept over there. This is something very important. Again, it happens many times, many of the organization, they decide to have a locker in the reception, or there has to be some corner cabinet or some corner storeroom kind of thing, and inside that there is always a locker arrangement is given for the staff. So this is again very important, whether it fits in your requirement, whether it fits in your size, then have that arrangement also. This gives enough space so the reception remains always clean and neat. It doesn't become too cluttered. We have observed in many organizations, reception becomes too cluttered. Whatever inward things, whatever things which comes in the office, that remains in the reception area. But this is very, very bad for the organization. It has to be really clean and neat. One most important factor in the reception area is air condition. air condition has to be sufficient, the atmosphere of that and the cooling factor has to be considered very well, because most of the time door opens and close very frequently in the reception. So there is always a leakage of the air conditioned air. So this has to be planned well, so the air remains within the reception area only. So this is from Ketan Sheth, Goldmine Project Consultant. Hope you like this topic, and we will surely revert back again on fortnight the next Saturday, and we will catch up very soon. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.